How to make an extra 200 a week. In today's fast-moving world, everyone wants to make money. There are many ways to make money, but the important thing is to choose the best way to earn money. Suppose you are interested in the financial investments, then you must look in for a reliable broker. He will not only invest your money wisely, but he will also help you get the best advices. A broker is a person or an organization which trades in securities for themselves or for the customers on their behalf. An independent broker is an individual firm which works as a mediator between a seller and a buyer. They charge their commissions for their services according to the number of shares dealt with or for any other financial dealings with the customers. The broker must have a license to operate in this field. It is mandatory. An independent broker is one who does not work for a specific company and usually works alone. He is solely responsible for achieving all the financial targets. These brokers work independently and help in bringing together the main dealing parties. They try to make out the best price which suits their clients. Not only this, but they also try to reach out to as many prospective customers as possible in order to enhance transactions. Many of them work as business units and subsidiaries of banks and investment companies. These independent brokers must have a good technology structure to execute the transactions easily without any hassles. Their reputation and goodwill should be given due worth. J.P. Turner is a brokerage firm that believes in partnership and making best efforts. It helps in developing business opportunities according to the need of their customers. It ensures low cost of operations. It holds workshops and support services. It has a strong network in the business arena. J.P. Turner helps in providing transition support too. They believe in full-fledged communication process. They have got a highly experienced team which helps in moving your business in the most effective manner. They ensure that there is no wastage or any kind of disruptions involved in your business. The satisfaction of the clients is ensured all the time. J.P. Turner operates with the help of some processes like consultation and business transitions and predetermined questionnaire. They ensure to provide personal attention to their clients. They spend a great deal of time on their customers, which helps in smooth transition of their business. They provide you a transition specialist who will take all the responsibility of your business transition, for example, transferring of the accounts of your clients. They also help in increasing and smooth running of your business. An indie broker support is an agency which takes care of specific services. The broker works as a personal agent for his client and provides all the support needed. The broker is the key to your wise financial investments. He will look out for the best policies and services for his clients so that he can maintain his clients forever and ensures that harmonious relations are maintained with his clients throughout.